Hi, I'm Chris Bou Saeed, Los Angeles hit and run attorney. Welcome to CBS Law, where we deliver results, not promises. Let's talk about hit and run cases. The most common hit and run charge is a violation of Vehicle Code Section 20,002. Now, that's a misdemeanor, and what constitutes a violation of that misdemeanor crime? First, that someone got into a car accident. Second, that there was property damage that the driver knew or should have known occurred. And then third, that the driver of the vehicle failed to pull over and provide their contact information to the owner of the property, or if the property owner is not present, like for example, when someone hits a parked car, the driver is supposed to leave their contact information in a conspicuous place, like on a card left on the windshield, and then alert the police immediately. Now, that charge of Vehicle Code Section 20,002 is a misdemeanor that carries with it up to 180 days in county jail at halftime. Now, the second most common charge that we see in hit and run cases is a violation of Vehicle Code Section 20,001. That's a crime of hit and run resulting in injury. Now, what constitutes a violation of hit and run with injury? Well, first, that someone was driving a vehicle. Second, that they got into a car accident. And as a result of that car accident, someone was hurt. Third, after getting into that car accident, the driver is supposed to then pull over and provide their contact information to the driver or occupant of the other vehicle, or if they can't safely do so, to immediately call the police and alert them to what happened. Now, a violation of hit and run with injury is a wobbler offense. What that means is it can be charged as a felony or as a misdemeanor. If it's charged as a felony, the potential consequences include a low term of 16 months in state prison, a middle term of 2 years in state prison, or a high term of 3 years in state prison, all at halftime. Halftime means you can only serve up to 50% of the time to which you've been sentenced. If a violation of Vehicle Code Section 20,001, hit and run with injury, is charged as a misdemeanor, the maximum punishment that one could receive upon conviction would be 364 days in county jail at halftime, which means the most they can do is 182 days in county jail. So call CBS Law now at 213-800-8005, and together we'll get your life back.